Advay Agarwal, and today we are going to make a Lego rubber band car. Aren't you excited? But it's very simple. So I'm first going to show you how it works. The output, what it will. So first I have to rotate this so that it can come to the axis and get the power enough. Okay, so now I'm going to place it here. Oh, not working because I didn't have enough space. It was going here. So now I'm going to do it again. But this time it will be a much faster. Okay. So I do it. Oh, that was fast. But it got away. If we add a little rubber band to it, it will not go much far. So right now I'm tightening it. Look, like this you can do good and if you have enough power. You can take it down directly. So now I'm going to dismantle it. First let me show you how it works. Basically, we have a rubber band attached to an axle and this weird kind of Lego thing, a technique, is attached to this axle and all I have to do is attach the rubber band to this weird looking thing and then rotate this so that the axle can move fast because it can't just move on its own like nothing. But if I add force to it with the rubber band, it will go far. It will move basically. So now I'm going to dismantle it and then I'm going to show you how it is made. So let's pause the video. Alright, so now I have basically dismantled the Lego rubber band car. So what we need? We need two Technic plates like this. Not plates basically, these Technic bricks. Two axles of the same size. 4 wheels. First I tried on gears, but since they need more friction to move, they need more power to move, so it got a little bit slow, very slow. It wasn't even moving. Rarely it was moving. This weird kind of thing, this. And 12 of these axle shifts to block it. And a rubber band. And I've got green in it. Yeah. So now how to make it? So first take the two Technic bricks. But keep one aside and take the first one. So attach a axle like this. It should be on great size and length. And attach this shift to it. Now it should not move as such like this it should be. And we are going to touch it so that it can't just go from here. Okay? So like this. Okay? I bet I need a little bit more axle. So I'm going to just put it like not there. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, so now I'm going to, since this will be the rubber band who will come here, I'm going to attach the rubber band here and put this like this. So another shift. To prevent this from going here, I have attached that shift. Now I'm going to attach another one of these. I bet this has been too long, so I'm just going to shut it down like this. Yes, I'm going to attach this shift. And now I'm going to attach an axle from this. Okay, I first since it gets a little bit messy, so I'm going to first do it here and this. And the same we did for the first one, we are going to do it again. So like if I will do it like this, like. So now I've attached this axle shift to the axle. I'm going to attach this weird looking kind of thing. So I'm going to attach it here as straight as an arrow. The rubber band will go. Now I'm going to, just to make sure it doesn't go there. And for this, I'm going to attach a shift. Now I'm going to put this red Technic brick, which is very hard to put, here, like this. Next I will add some here, kind of thing, like this. But I think there's a little bit more space, so just come. I'll just do it a little bit less, the space. How to do it? Is it increasing? Oh my, that's very. Yes. This is fine, I think. Yeah. Now, the last of all things we need to do. 1 minute. Yes, the last of all things we need to do is to attach the wheels. Now, how to attach the wheel? I've taken a wheel and I'm going to put it here. This. Now I'm going to put the shift here. Like this. It's on the edge. Now I'm going to do the same for the second wheel. So like this. Yeah. This. And yes. So now our rubber band car is complete. So let's test it out, and for some decoration, I used some Technic and simple Lego pieces. I'm going to attach them later. First, let's see if it's working properly or not. And I'm going to place it on the floor. Wait, it's a little bit working, but that's fine. Still, it's still working. Yeah. Okay, so now how to attach these things. Now see. First we're going to attach these L-shaped. So I'm going to attach them. Wait. One minute. So see, I've got this. I'm going to attach it here. Okay? Then I'm going to do the same here. Yes, as I've done here. Now, what I'm going to do is, to attach this, I will attach this here, kind of like this. It's a little bit different from the other model that I made. Yeah, I know that. And I know it's going to be a little bit difficult. You can make your own models, that's fine. Yeah, let me just make this. Whee! So, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with a subscribe word written on it. Until the next video, bye!